Okay, guys. So today we are going to discussing about that. Already we discussed what, guys? What? Oops, principle in Java. Yeah, yeah. So, guys, already we had completed what, guys? Two principles. That Oops principle. Two principle has completed. That is inheritance and polymorphism, guys. Yeah. So tell me, guys, what is polymorphism and how many types are divided into divided polymorphism and how we can achieve that polymorphism? These three things you should be covered with. Go ahead.
Polymorphism means one concept from different behavior called as polymorphism, and there are two types of polymorphism: couple-time polymorphism, runtime polymorphism.
Okay.
Couple-time polymorphism we achieved through method overloading, and runtime polymorphism we achieved using method overriding.
Excellent. Yeah. And go ahead, Yashwant. Yashwant. Yeah, you can go ahead, guys. What is polymorphism? How many types of polymorphism? How we can achieve that polymorphism? How many ways?
Polymorphism is entity having different behaviors.
Okay.
There are two types of polymorphism:
Okay.
runtime polymorphism and compile time.
Okay.
Runtime polymorphism you get method overloading.
Runtime polymorphism method overloading.
Right. What
Method
compile time method overriding.
method overriding. Yes. Compile time
Compile time
polymorphism.
polymorphism you get method overloading.
Method
Overloading.
method overloading. Guys, you no need to confuse, right? So I'm giving that very clearly about that compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. Guys. So you should be read properly and complete that TOCs, guys. Without practicing that TOCs, you are not able to get, guys. But knowledge not able to get because of that theoretical is that different, practical is that different. Then you know that theoretical at that moment you should be implement with that practical, guys. At that moment you should be get knowledge about that polymorphism or other concept also. Okay.
Sir, we can. I want to share one definitions of a component.
Yeah, go ahead.
So compile-type polymorphism means decision taken on based on invoking the properties and behavior of the uh, decision taken on the properties and behavior during the compile-time polymorphism is called as compile-time polymorphism. Is right or wrong?
You people, when you are going to saying that definition is that, yeah, what you are going to say that is that partial is correct. But when you are going to saying to that definition, how it is getting for you, guys? It is a proper, is there or properly is there or not? You should be aware first of all that definition that yeah, properties and behavior, properties and what?
Behavior.
Yeah, those things we
Properties and behavior.
yeah. Properties means what, guys? Properties is nothing but what?
Attribute.
Variables, right? Attributes.
Yes.
And behavior means when you can implement behavior
Method.
inside that methods only, guys. That is that correct? But when you people to say to that others, that syntax, what, guys? Sentence, that definition should be understand to that others, guys. Right? Yeah. So yeah, I know that what you said that is correct, but some people is those people who don't know, right? At that moment, what you said, they will what, guys, partially accepted. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So we are given that very clearly that definition and simple, guys. That definition I'm given that very simple. You people not able to understanding my definitions.
No, sir, understand, but the definition I know, sir.
Yeah.
If I am not,
Guys, yeah, you already took that what training for others. So I think that definition
Yes,
you
sir.
people learn from others that institute only, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, no problem, guys. But what you are going to saying that definition, that should be what, guys, in real time also. If analyze that definition to that others in real time, then that should be matchable, right? See, you people can read this polymorphism, that definition: a single entity exhibiting different behavior is called that polymorphism. See, guys, that readable is that good, and understandable also it is very good. You people can just 1 or 2 minutes you can read this. Definitely, this definition injected in your mind. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
And
Yeah.
one more thing, how to say early binding, sir? Or
Early binding and
early binding and
late binding, both are same, guys. That compile time polymorphism or static binding or early binding, right? That name is the different name that they will call as a different name, guys. But that is that comes under what? Compile time polymorphism. Okay. And there is a dynamic binding is there, late binding is there. That name is that different, guys. That we can actually, you people can. That is the reason I said when I introduced this polymorphism. At that moment, I'm clearly said to you people, right? That compile time polymorphism, instead of that compile time polymorphism, we can call as a static binding or early binding. For that runtime polymorphism, we can call as a dynamic binding or late binding. I already said that.
yes, sir, he taught me, but some interviews are asking
Yes,
like what is early binding, and what is the different meaning of early binding and static binding.
yeah, definitely. At that moment, you should be tell to this only: compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. They will confuse to us, guys.
Yes,
Yeah, they will confuse to that interviewer should be confused to us. Those people to know that what is static binding, what is early binding, what is dynamic binding, what is late binding. The people that use this word, guys. You people are believing or not, I don't know. But I'm also, when I was to that interview at that moment, I'm also using this word only, right? That is the
Okay.
reason you should be aware, guys. Okay. So guys, today we are going to discussing about that encapsulation, right, guys? So, what is encapsulation, guys? Can anyone tell me that definition? You already know that what is encapsulation?
encapsulation process of hiding or wrapping the data of into single data set.
Single data. Yeah, yeah. Then what we are going to saying that is also correct, we know. But I given that here very simple definition. See how it is. So how it is that that interviewer also impressed, guys, here when you people are saying to that definition of that encapsulation. See, the process of creating a class by hiding the internal data from outside the world. We can achieve that encapsulation by using setter getter methods, and the property should be declared with a private modifier space.
Yes, sir.
Right, guys? If people to tell this kind of that definition, that interviewer should must and should he will be satisfied, guys. Must and should, because of I am also using this definition only, and when I'm going to using this definition, and what is that? What is the how we can achieve that encapsulation? That names also we can use here, means we can achieve that how we can achieve that encapsulation means all the properties should be declared with what, guys? Private modifier.
Private.
Yes or no? And we can use that word, guys, getter method, guys. Getter methods. We can using that property should be what, guys? Setter and getter. But we can achieve that what, guys? Getters and setters methods. By using this method, we can achieve that encapsulation, guys. Guys, getting or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So guys, you people should must and should remember this, that this is the definition for that encapsulation. But if you people already know that encapsulation, but that must and should that properly you can explain, guys. Okay. Yeah. See here, guys. See here. What I'm going to telling here, how we can achieve that encapsulation. I'm going to writing that you people to know that how we can, what is the definition for that encapsulation. I'm given here that very clearly, guys. So based on that, how we can achieve. First of all, what is the way we can achieve that encapsulation? We will see, guys, here. Okay. See here, guys. First of all, I'm going to taking that one example, guys. So I'm going to taking public class, and I'm going to taking what, guys? Employee class, right? I'm going to take in what employee class. Inside that employees can have that their properties, right, guys? What are the properties, guys? In real time, we are not able to call as a variable, guys. We can that instead of that variable, we can call as a properties, guys. Getting or not? You people no need to attributes or properties or whatever maybe, guys. Right? No need to confuse, guys. No need to confuse. We can call as a word, guys. Attributes we can call, properties we can call, variables we can call, right, guys? In real time scenario, this is the name we can use, guys. But no need to tell. When you are coming to that advanced level, you should be use what, guys? You should be used what, guys? Attributes only or properties, right? Property. Yes. See here, guys, how we can implement this concept. First of all, I'm going to declare what, guys? I'm going to declare. If people can concentrate here, guys, how we can achieve that encapsulation. That all the properties you can read this, guys. You can read the process of creating a class by hiding the internal data, guys. This is the data, right? Private string name and private double salary, guys. So this is the data I need to hide, guys, right? So I need to hide. How I can hide? What is the purpose of I need to hide these? Means these properties should not be used others, guys. Should not be used. That is the reason what I am going to do here, guys. I'm going to using that. What, guys? That property should be declared with what, guys? Private modifier, right? So how we can achieve that properties, guys? You people to concentrate here. I'm going to creating public class public class employee, and inside that properties I'm declaring what type of property we should be declare, guys.
Private.
Yeah, that modifier should be declared with that private string first name, guys. That employees can have that first name. Employee first name is there, right, guys? First name, guys. You people declare that properties like that only. Real time scenario also we can use like this only. Private first name and private string. What are the data type we are going to take in that data type name also should be remember, guys. For that first name, what is that? That is that int type of data or string type of data or double type of data and date type of data you should be remember. First name comes under what, guys? What is the data type for that first name? String, right? You should be remember, guys. I already completed that what, guys? Data types concept. Inside that, when we have to take that what, guys? Primitive data types, and when we have to take to that reference data type, you already know, right? So string is a data type. This is that primitive data type or reference data type, guys.
Primitive data type.
Hey,
Data type, sir.
Non-primitive data, sir.
No.
reference data type, yeah, non-primitive or reference data type, both are same, guys. You should be, is this that primitive data type, guys? String?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Guys, string is a reference data type, right? So, and a private string, last name, what, guys? I'm going to give in last name, employee first name and employee last name, right, guys? This is the way we can declare that properties, guys. And if people to tell me address or else private, yeah, private, and address is that a string or what, guys? What are the data type I should to take for that address?
Address also we can take as string.
String only, right? Address, and you people to tell me for that what, guys? Email
String, sir.
string only. You people must and should stand here only. This is that encapsulation concept in real time. Each and everything you can go any type of project, guys. You can create any type of project. There is a at that moment we can call as a what, guys? This class we can call as a what, guys? Domain class we can call, or entity class we can call, or model class we can call, guys. In real time scenario, this class, what type of class this is the means, we can tell what, guys. There is a multiple names for this class, guys. Domain class or what, guys, entity class or model class. And we can call in olden days we can call as a Pojo class also, guys. Pojo, sorry.
That word we use in advanced, right? So advanced Java.
Yeah, in project level we can use this kind of name only. Yes, Pojo class we can call as a Pojo class also.
Yes, sir. Pojo class.
Yeah, you people to know, I think Pojo class only, but nowadays we are not able to use, guys, Pojo class, entity class, and model class we can use. Okay. Yeah. So now tell me, guys, for that email, what should I to take as a data type? String. Right. Email. Now tell me, guys, for that mobile number, what should I to take?
Long, sir.
Long. Right. See, guys, long is a data type or what, guys? Long is a wrapper class or data type, guys. I'm taking. You should be use here. What, guys? This is that capital letter or small letter.
Small letters, L is
L must and should require that capital letter or small letter, guys.
small letter.
Small letter required. Yeah, but you should be use, guys. I will let you know where, guys. You people go to that and check into that, guys, where I'm going to just copy it here. Control X and wrapper class, guys. You people to know wrapper classes.
Yes, sir.
Tell me what are the wrapper class names started with what, guys?
Capital letters and
Only capital letters, sir. If, for example, if I take integer, there must be I is capital letters.
integer.
Integer.
Yes.
Character.
Yes.
Double as a double capital letter.
Yes.
But there should be capital letters.
We should be give that capital letter.
Yeah.
Guys, you people, we should be take what, guys? Mobile number as a data type what? Long. And there is a that employee can content what, guys? Employee can content what, guys? Employee ID also, right? That employee ID, what we have to declare, guys? Tell me what we can take that employee ID for that data type.
Sir.
Int or integer?
Integer.
Int or.
Integer.
Guys, in real time we are not able to take what, guys? Primitive data types for that employee ID, guys. We can take as a wrapper classes. What we have to take, guys? Wrapper classes. What is that?
Sir, we use normal. If we use normal, then we use integer int only, right, sir?
Yeah. If you people take as a normally, then you can take that as a what, guys? Int only. But in real time
In
scenario,
calculation, we can also use int, right, sir?
sorry,
If you want, if you want to use in encapsulation, then we can use int only, right?
yeah, you
Use
can, you can use, guys, that int we can use. But here in real time scenario, how we can use that, guys, I'm using that in real time terminology. That is the reason I'm saying here. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, we are not able to use int, guys. That primitive data type we are not able to use, right? So integer and empid, right, guys? This is the way we can declare what, guys. This is the way we can declare what, guys? Encapsulation property. What, guys? Properties inside that classes, right? So how we can achieve, guys? First of all, that encapsulation, all the properties should be declared with what, guys? All the properties should be declared with that private modifier, guys. Private modifier. But when you people are declaring that modifier as a private, at that moment, this is the variable is possible to access to that other classes, guys. No, right? So we are going to hiding this data from outside the world means it's not able to call, it is not able to acquire this property other classes, guys. Outside that world means outside classes is not able to acquire these classes, these properties, guys. Getting or not clearly?
Okay.
Yeah. So what should I to do, guys? Can we see really it is not possible outside that class? Is this possible or not? Can we check, guys? What we can define that definition, guys? What we can define that definition same as like I will implement, guys. I'm going to the process of creating a class. I'm already creating that one class, and by hiding that internal data, how I'm going to hiding that data, guys? By using what modifier, guys? By using that private modifier, right? And when I'm going to using that private modifier, is it possible to call to that outside that classes, guys? Is it possible to access this property outside classes?
No, sir.
No. It is possible or not, that thing we can see now, guys. Okay. See here, guys. What should I to do here? What should I to do? I'm going to creating few properties inside that class. I'm going to give in that class name. I will change here, guys. I think this is that not even your class, right? So what should I to do? I will take these properties. Is not your project, guys. So I will go and use into that where, guys, inside your project. What is that loops and arrays polymorphism is there? Yeah, we can see here, guys. Multiple inheritance. Yeah, multiple inheritance. Okay. Yeah, we can use here only, guys, in Woods principle. So what should I to do? I'm going to creating one class, guys. What is that class name? I'm going to taking that class name as a employee, right? I'm going to taking class name as a employee, and inside that employee class, I'm going to define these properties, guys. That property should be declared with what modifier, guys? I'm declaring this modifier with that private modifier, guys. But what I said that what, guys, definition, this property, when you are going to define this property, it is not able to access outside that class. So what should I to do, guys? I'm going to creating one more class, guys. I'm going to creating one more class. Is it possible to access that outside the class or not? We will check, right, guys? That is the thing we can see inside that encapsulation. It is going to binding that data, guys, right? It is going to binding that data. So what should I to do? I'm going to creating that one more class employee test. employee test is that class I am going to create it here, guys. So what should I to do, guys, here? What should I to do here? See, guys, I'm going to creating main method here.
Okay.
I'm going to creating main method first of all. And which class object I need to create, guys, here? Tell me.
Employee test.
Employee test or employee?
Employee, sir. Employee, sorry.
Employee object I need to create here, guys, right? So you are not able to see that word, guys. Inheritance, it is not inheritance, guys.
Okay.
Encapsulation, right?
Okay.
So is it possible to access to that outside class or not? We can check. Employee EE equal to new employee, or else I can give that EMP equal to new employee, guys, right? So I'm going to creating that I'm going to creating what, guys? I'm going to creating object for that employee object, right? So what should I to do? I need to call that properties, guys. So how we can call that properties? Tell me, guys. emp dot what, guys?
That properties name, sir.
Yes, but first of all, that variable is it visible here, guys?
Not visible.
Not visible. It is hiding that data, guys. This is the way we can say that hiding the data, guys. You people know how we can hide the data. It is really access to that outside classes or not. You people to really know or don't know, guys. See here, guys. I'm going to using or else what should I to do? I'm going to define that word, guys. I need to use this property. Yes or no, guys? So what should I to do here? emp dot first name, guys. It is that getting that error. What is that error? You people can read here, guys. You people can read here that the field employee first name is not visible, guys. You people getting or not? How we can hide that data inside that encapsulation?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, see, you people read, guys. This is the definition. You people can read here. You people can read this. The process of creating a class by hiding, guys. This is that hiding that data from that outside the world. Outside that world means others class, guys. Right? So outside that class, this data is not visible. So that compile time error it is going to saying, guys, this property I'm not able to visible. Right, guys? The field employee first name is not visible. Guys, getting or not? Yeah. Then if I want to achieve, yeah, this is the definition. You people are satisfied or not, guys? Now satisfied, right? Yeah. So yeah. So if we want to achieve that encapsulation, if we want to access that, this is the property. If we want to access the outside the class, what we have to require, guys? How we can achieve that encapsulation? What are the things we have to require here, guys?
Getter and setter method.
Yeah, we should be used to that setters and getter methods, guys.
That method also.
Yeah, getters also it is. Yeah, yes, guys. So how we can use that setters and getters? I will show you as a practicals, guys. You people go and you people select these properties, guys. All the properties you can select, and you can right click onto that. You can right click onto that selected properties. There is a word, guys. Source is there, right? There is a source is there. What you have to do, guys, tell me first of all. You should be select that all the properties. How many properties we need to set for that setters and getters method, guys? Then you should be select all the properties and right click onto that selected properties, guys. Then you people go to that. There is a source option is there, guys. What are the option is there? Source option is there, and you can go and or else you people can use that alt plus shift plus yes. Okay, and go and check. There is a getters and setters. Generate getter and setter is there, guys. You can click on to that. Okay, right. So here if you require to that all the properties for that setters and getter, you can select all here, guys. There is a option is there, select all, right? So it will be selected. That checkbox will be selected, guys. And where we have to require that setter and getters, where we have to require, guys, after first name or after last name, we can decide here only, guys. We can define here where we have to define first name insert point after, see guys, after mobile number I required, guys. By default it is taking first members, that first members, what is that it is going to taking, guys? First members only, means that first members means it will become employee ID, below employee ID it will become, guys. So I'm going to decide in that setters and getters, after mobile number I need to generate, guys. Guys, can we check if you are not able to select these things, then what it will be take that properties? Can we check, guys, first?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm going to generating. I'm not checking. I'm not able to which one. See, guys, I'm just removing to that. I'm removing to that what, guys? Generating that setter getter selected properties. I'm right clicking on that and go to that source. There is a generate getter setters is there, guys, and I'm just selecting to that all, and I'm not able to choosing after which property I need to require setter getters. I'm not selected. So by default, where it is that getting that generate that setter getters method, we will see, guys. You people can see here, guys. You people can see here all the properties means before that employee IDs means what we are going to declare that properties that all are came to the down, and getter and setters came up out what, guys, first, right? So I don't want generate that setter getter first. After that properties I need to require, guys. Yes or no? So what should I to do? What should I to do, guys? I need to select that all the properties. Click on to that where, guys? Right click on to that selected properties. Go to that source, and there is a generate getter and setter is there, guys. And you can click on to that select all properties and come, guys, here. There is a insertion point is there. You can tell me I need to require that setter getter after mobile number, right, guys? So and generate here. This is the way we can generate what, guys? Setters and getters, right, guys? See, guys, okay. So what should I do here, guys? I generated. If I want to access the, guys, you can go and check into the definition. If I want to access that what, guys, this property into that outside class, what we have to do, guys? Using the setter getters method, guys. I already used the setter and getter method inside that employee class. Well, I need to check into that where, guys, inside that employee test, it is coming or not? Can we check, guys, now? Emp dot what are the properties we need to require, guys, now? Employee ID or employee name? If I take what are the properties we have to require, you can call, guys, now, right? So I required a address is there, and what are the properties? First property, what are the first property name, guys? EMP ID, right? I require that EMP ID dot EMP ID. There is a get EMP ID is there, right, guys? So this is the way we can access the property which one declared as a private modifier, guys. So what is the output it will become, guys? Tell me. What is the output it will
Employee ID
become?
null, sir, null.
Null. Why it is come as a null, guys? Tell me.
Integer default value is null. So that's why.
Yeah. So that default value for that proper classes, that default value is that null, guys. If you take that guys, the int is that if you take that data type what guys, data type as a int, what it will become guys?
0.
0. Excellent guys, you are getting or not? Yeah. So guys, what should I to do here guys? What should I to do? I need to set and get the data. First of all, I need to set the data. After that, I need to get the data. How many ways to we can set the data and how many ways we can get the data guys? How many ways we can set the data guys? Tell me. What is the purpose of that setter? Tell me guys. I need to
Insert the data.
insert that data, assigning the data for that what guys, employee id, and I need to get the data, right guys? How we can assign that, set the data, you people to tell me guys. Emp dot what guys, set emp dot set what guys, emp id, right guys? So I'm given what guys, I'm given 101 is that I'm going to setting the data guys, I'm going to setting the data guys, getting or not?
Yes, sir.
And I'm setting the data 101 and I'm getting the data 101. So what is the output it will become guys? Now tell me.
101.
101 guys, getting or not? What is the purpose of that setting setter methods and what is the purpose of that getter methods? You people aware or not guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now tell me guys, I need to set all the properties which one we define inside that what guys, employee class. Now tell me emp dot set first name,
First name.
right guys? I'm setting that first name as a what guys? Srinu, I'm going to setting here, and I need to set that emp dot set first name and last name. Last name and last name I'm going to setting here.
Both are first name only.
Yeah, sorry. I need to set the last name, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm going to setting that last name for that properties, and emp dot set what guys, email.
ID.
Yes. So I'm going to setting that n.srino23 @gmail.com. And what is the next properties is there guys?
Mobile
emp
number.
dot set of
Yes.
that mobile number address.
Mobile number.
I think address. Yeah, you can go any other guys, no problem. I'm going to setting that address HYD. And what are the next properties is there guys? emp dot set mobile number, right? I'm going to give in here what guys, mobile number. I'm going to give in that dummy mobile number guys. So it will be represented with L, right guys? And any what we have left guys here, employee id, first name, last name, email id, address, and mobile number. That's all only, right? 5 properties. 1, 2, 3,
Employee
4.
ID.
First name, last name, email, address, mobile number. That's all only, right?
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, that's all. So guys, this is the way we can set the data, and this is the way we can get the data guys, right? I'm going to use in that SOPLN statement guys. Inside that SOPLN statement, I need to get the all the data guys. How I can get the data, I will show you people. Already getting the data also completed guys here by using that emp dot get what guys,
Get
first name,
first name.
right? So I'm getting that. And emp dot get what guys,
Yes.
last name, right? So next word, guys, emp dot get email, and next one, guys, emp dot get get address. Next one word, guys, emp dot
Get mobile.
get mobile. This is the way we can get the data from that, which one declared as a private properties, guys. You people read it, you people can check, guys. Here I'm going to running this application. See here, guys, I'm setting the data and I'm getting the data, guys. In real-time scenario, that encapsulation we are using in every concept, guys, right? We can set the data and we can get the data from the database. We can set the data into that postman and we can get the data from where, guys? We can get the data and we can set the data. We can get the data from that database and we can set the data again where, guys? Inside that class only. What are the properties we have to require, right? This is the very important, guys. Very important, really, guys. If people to understand that project scenario at that moment, must and should require what is the purpose of that setter, the setter methods, and what is the purpose of that getters method is must and should required, guys, getting or not? This is the way we can access the word, guys, private class properties. Is going to hiding the data. First of all, it is not able to access, guys. First of all, it is not able to access. If we want to access, we can generate setter and getter. Then we can set the data. We can get the data here, guys, outside the class. Guys, what I give in that definition is matching or not for you people? Tell me.
Matching, sir.
Yeah, this is the way we can achieve that setters, getters inside that encapsulation, guys. We already given that one POCs, guys. We can go this example also. Okay, guys. And guys, only one way we can achieve that. How many way we, guys? There is a in what, guys, advanced concept. It will become what, guys? In Spring MVC, guys. You people to know MVC, right?
No, sir.
You don't know?
No, sir.
Is it? So guys, you people are completed that full stack development, right? So without that Spring, they directly went to the what, guys? Spring Boot. How many ways?
They teach only.
Hmm.
They teach only Spring and advanced, sir.
Yeah. Spring, inside that Spring, it will become. There is a concept is there. How many ways we can inject the data, guys? You people aware or not? Injection. What is dependency injection, guys? You people aware or not, guys? Dependency injection. No.
We had about that.
You heard that word, but you don't know, right? Guys, if you people to understand that dependency injection, you should be strong this concept, guys. How many ways we can inject the data means there is a two ways we can inject the data by using setter method and by using constructors, guys.
Getter method.
No getter methods. Getter methods getting the data. Setter methods setting the data. Injecting means, guys, injecting means in real time what we have to do. If you people to take any registration form is there, guys, right? Email registration is there, and Flipkart registration form is there, and Amazon registration form is there, student registration form is there, employee registration form is there. Yes or no, guys? You people aware, right? At that moment, when you are, see here, guys, see here, I'm going to showing to that one registration form, guys. Registration form means how we can see See here, guys, I will show you that registration form nothing but uh, this is the real what, guys. See here, guys. I'm going to using what, guys? Here I'm going to using my username password. After that, what should I to do here, guys? Is that wrong? I'm going to give in that others username password. Yeah, I'm going to give in here, guys, username and password. It is access. And when I'm going to see here, guys, if anyone added to in my website at that moment, there is a registration form is there, guys. So how I can register? See here, guys. When I'm going to clicking onto that this what, guys, block image at that moment that registration form it will be open. Guys, in real time scenario also we can develop this kind of only at that moment it is accessing what, guys, asking to that data, guys, it is accessing pin and first name, email, mobile number, address, it is access, it is expecting that data, guys. This is the data we can setting the data here, guys. We are going to setting the data. How we can setting the data inside that where, guys, inside that what, guys, setter method. How we can setting the data by using setter method, same as like we can give the data for this what, guys, registration form, right? At that moment what happened, guys, inside that in employee class means what, guys, I said you, right? Entity class or model class, I said you, right, guys? So inside that entity class or model class, they also declared same this kind of only properties they will define, guys, inside internally for this project also. For this project also, internally that data can be defined like this only. But you people can concentrate here, guys. I'm injecting that data. I'm setting that data. I'm setting the data here only. Yes or no, guys? By using that setter method, I'm going to injecting here. Yes or no, guys? Same as like this is that word, guys. This is that hard coding the data. I'm going to hard coding the data here, guys. This is the dummy data I'm giving. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Dummy data I'm going to give in, but you people can aware, guys, in real time scenario every time that we can give that dummy data or different data it will become, guys, different employees data it will become.
Yes.
Yes or no, guys? At that moment, what we have to do internally, this is the property we can define, guys. This is the properties we can define, and we can generate getters and setter, guys. At that moment, how many ways we can inject the data, guys? How many ways we can injecting nothing but this assigning that value, guys. How many ways we can injecting the data means there is a two ways we can injecting the data, guys. How many ways we can inject the data? Two ways we can injecting the data. How we can injecting the data means injecting means this is the way, guys, we are going to using that first name here, name, email, mobile. Yes or no, guys? We are going to injecting the data here. So when I'm going to injecting means assigning the data, guys.
Yes, sir.
Right? You people aware, right? So yeah, when I'm going to assigning the data, when I'm going to clicking onto that join, at that moment, what, guys, this entire data it will be go where, guys, inside that database. Where I'm going to using that database means there is a I'm going to using what, guys, server for this project. Inside it, there is a server is there, guys. I will show you that by guys, this is that my personal so this is the database is there, guys. Okay, inside that database that data should be come and store here, guys, getting or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So in real time also it's happened like that only. But how many that what, guys? There is a only setting the data only certain method is enough, or any others way we can injecting the data means there is a one more way is there, guys. By using the constructor we can injecting the data, guys. By using that two ways we can injecting the data by using setter method and by using what, guys? constructor. This concept it will be come into that where guys? In Spring MVC. In Spring, yeah, it will be how many? What is that dependency injection and how many ways we can inject in the data? Must and should that question it will become guys, and we will see that concept also later. Okay, you should be remember little bit guys.
Okay.
Yeah. So how we can inject it? How we can? How many ways we can inject the data, guys? Tell me.
2 ways, sir.
2 ways. By using what, guys?
Setter and constructor.
Yeah, by using setter methods and by using that constructor. So if we want to use that constructor, then what we have to define here, guys? I need to create a constructor here, guys. Which constructor I need to create here? Guys, this is the way we can setting the data. First of all, this is the way we can setting the data. But there is a one more way is there, injecting the data. What is that way, guys? Creating that constructor. Yes or no, guys? How we can create that constructor? I will show you practically, guys. You can click onto, you can select the all the properties and you can right click onto that what, guys, selected properties, go to that source is there is a source option is there, guys. You can select what, guys, getter, not getter, guys, there is a constructor, generate a constructor using fields, guys. Guys, getting or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is the way we can creating that constructor and set getters method, guys. Guys, 1 minute. Yeah. Bro, hello. Class. Okay. Yeah. So guys, this is the way. If you are clicking onto that generate constructor and constructor using fields, then that what, guys, it will become this is the option is there, guys. So all the field it is automatically selected, guys. All the field selected. Which field we have to require to select, then you can uncheck, guys. This is the property, this is the box you can uncheck, then it will be what, guys, it's not able to, it is creating what, zero parameter constructor. So I need to create that zero parameter constructor or parameterized constructor, guys. Now guys, I need to set the all the data or only I'm not able to setting data, guys.
Using data.
Yeah, that is the reason what should I to do, guys? I need to select all. Guys, getting or not? So where I have to require this constructor, where I have to require that constructor means after mobile number, guys. I need to require after that mobile number, or else you can select after that what, guys, set mobile numbers, guys. After set mobile number, this is that what, guys, setter method, right, guys? Setter methods is there. After that it will become, but what should I to do? I'm going to using that after mobile number, guys. Okay, I'm going to generating that constructor with a parameterized constructor, guys. What type of constructor I created here, guys? Guys, what type of
Parameterized constructor.
parameterized constructor? Vinod, actually, you are not aware to that constructor concept. I think you came into that directly that arrays, guys, right?
Hello.
Yeah. Hello, Vinod.
Sir, tell me, sir.
Yeah, you are. I think you are not aware to that constructors. That constructor concept we already completed. But if you people to don't know, I already created that video, guys, for that constructor also, right? I will share you in your group. You can go through that, guys.
Okay, sir, I know.
You know, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is the way we can create what type of constructor, guys. This is how many types of constructor is there? First
Two
of
types of
two
constructor.
types of constructor is there. What are those? What are those, guys?
Parameterized constructor and zero parameter.
Zero parameterized constructor. Now you people to tell me, guys, this is the zero parameter constructor or parameterized constructor? Parameterized constructor. Guys, this is the one way we can injecting the data we will see with a practically. Guys, getting or not, how we can generating that parameterized constructor? Yeah, in real time also we can use what, guys? When we use that constructor, this kind of constructor means in real time must and should we can use when we are going to write in the J unit test cases, guys. There is a J after complete our what, guys, implementation of our API. At that moment we can write that J unit test cases, guys. Guys, getting or not? At that moment we must and should use that constructors concept only, guys. This is the things is not able to tell in your what, guys, in your institute, I think they said, guys, where we are going to use into that constructor, where we are going to use in that setters, how we are going to set the data, how we can access that data, and how many ways we can set the data. You people,
This concept not they are not told, sir. This constructor
this is the concept is that important, guys.
setter getter method is I know they are
They explain just what, yeah, basics, how we can set that, how we can set the data, how we can get the data, but where which scenario we can use, they're not able to tell, I think,
No, sir.
right? Yeah, so that institute people can be tell only basics only, guys.
Okay.
But here we are going to that developing real-time project. This is the way we can develop, guys. Okay. Yeah, so guys, yeah, this is the way we can define and how we can injecting the data by using what, guys. See, guys, immediately it is throwing what, guys, immediately it is throwing what, error. Why, tell me, guys, anyone getting?
yes, sir. We use constructor.
Yeah, we are going to use that what parameterized constructor,
Parameterized
but
constructor.
we are going to create what type of object constructor we are created here, guys. Zero parameters constructor we created here. This is a constructor only, right, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, you people tell me, guys, what should I to do? What should I do? How we can resolve these issues, guys? Tell me.
We declare inside the method parameters.
Or else if we define to that, if I require that what, guys, one zero parameters constructor, what should I to do? We can go to that employee class and we can define one zero parameterized constructor, guys. Simple. Yes or no? You people can aware, guys. You people can see here control and space bar you can type, guys. Then that zero parameter constructor it will become just control s and go and check into that employee test class. It will be resolved. Guys, getting
So
our
how's the page control?
control and space bar, guys. Control you can press on control and space bar you can click. Control plus space bar. No need to click on plus symbol, guys. Control you can
Yes,
click
sir.
it.
Yes, sir.
You got it, right?
Yes.
Yeah, guys, this is the way we can resolve that zero parameters constructor. I need to create what, guys? Parameterized constructor. I need to inject the data inside that where, guys? Constructor also. By using that setter methods also we can inject in the data. And there is a one more way is there, guys. That is what, guys? Injecting the data inside that constructor. Guys, getting or not? So what should I to do? I need to create one more object emp1 emp1 equal to you people to tell us see here, guys. You people can observe here. I think employee is that class name given wrong. So employee emp1 equal to and control space bar. You can click a control space bar, guys. There is a two type of constructor it is going to show you to us. Zero parameterized constructor is there and what, guys, there is a parameterized constructor is there, guys. You can select which one we need to select now, guys. Parameterized constructor. We are going to setting the data for that constructor, guys, here. Okay, we can click onto that parameterized constructor, guys. Getting or not? Inside that, how many properties we can define inside that employee class? How many properties is there, guys? 6 properties is there. 6 properties we can injecting the data by using that constructor only. So if you are not able to using, if you are not able to assigning that value for that properties, then that default value will be injected by whom, guys? Compiler will be injected that value. Guys, getting or not?
Yes, sir.
This is the default value for that properties. All the properties you can go and check into that properties, guys. This is the properties is there, guys. That this is the integer is that wrapper classes, guys. That is the reason it came as a null. If people check here, that default value came what, guys? Null. And go and check into that string first name. What is the default value for that string, guys? Null only. For that last name also null. For that address also null. For what, guys? Email also having that null. But 0 is that mobile number. That long is that default value. What, guys? 0. Who will injected these values, guys? Tell me.
Compiler.
Compiler injected. If you are not able to assign in that value, that compiler will be injected, guys. Getting or not clearly?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Right, guys? So compiler injecting that value. So if we want to access this data, guys, what should I to do? Tell me how we can access this data.
We declare
System.out.data emp1, right, guys? What it will be? Get the data. Tell me.
emp dot not empid first name last name.
emp1 dot first name last name. Okay. If I require that get first name, like that only we can get.
Yes, sir. We can get like this one.
Like this only, yeah. Constructor, where we have to use that getter method. What is the purpose of that getter method, guys? Tell me.
Getter method is fetching the data, sir.
Yes or no, guys? So this is the get method came from where, guys? This is the getter method. This is the getter method came from where? Where it is available?
Is employee test.
Employee class. Employee is that class. There is a what, guys? Get first name is that method. Yes or no, guys? That data, see here, guys, I'm going to first name what? I'm going to inject in that, this is the first name, right? I'm going to inject in that first name, guys. You people can observe here, guys. I'm going to give in that first name as what, guys? I'm going to injecting Suresh, right? Or else I will give that my name. That is that name. Right, guys? I'm going to give in that word, guys. First name as a C. You people can read here, guys, what it will become. See here, guys, what it is came, guys. What is this? What we have to call it? We can call as a hash code, guys.
Hash code, hash code.
Yeah, this is that hash code. Every object, it can be have their own hash code, guys. Right? Every object can be having their own hash code. So how we can tell this is that what, guys? This is the hash code for that employee class, means we are already given that class name also, right, guys? So you people can check here, guys, that toString. What is the purpose of toString method, guys? Guys, hash code method is there, toString method is there, equal method is there. So guys, this all are came from where, guys? This all are came from where?
String
In
class.
string class.
Object
Class
string
methods,
object.
guys. Object class methods, this all are, right? So what should I to do? First of all, I need to inject that values, guys. I need to inject the values for that constructor. I'm going to inject in that value for that constructor. This is the way we can inject them, injecting that values, guys. Getting or not? This is the way I'm going to injecting what guys, third variable, yeah, n dot Srinu 23. And what are the fourth variable is there guys? Fifth variable. Srinu, yeah, first name, last name, address, right? Address is that fourth, right? Yeah. I'm going to give in what guys? HID. And my mobile number given as what guys? Dummy data. Right? So this is the way we can injecting the data. Guys, getting or not? See here guys, I'm going to injecting the data, but it will be come to that output is getting what guys? Hash code. How we can get the data guys? Tell me. EMP1 dot get EMP ID. What is the output it will become guys? Tell me.
ID.
It will become
102.
102. Guys, getting or not? If we want to access that all the data, what should I to do guys? Tell me. Using that plus operator and emp1 dot get what guys? First name, right? First name plus emp1 dot get email last name. No, second name, last name, that okay. And plus emp1 dot get what guys? Email ID plus emp1 dot get what guys? Address plus emp1 dot get mobile number. Right guys, this is the way we can access the data guys. Can we check it? Guys, it is getting what guys? It is completely came as a 101 scene. It is coming as a one single string guys. What should I to do?
Double quotation.
Yeah, inside that I'm given what guys? Space. Right? I'm going to using for that every properties guys. Then it will become, or else we can use what guys? Comma also. Right? If I give that comma, then it will be after 101 comma after 10 name. And next guys plus comma get address plus double quotation space. Yeah, this is the way we can define that what guys constructor I'm going to call it. See here guys, now getting or not guys my data. This is the way we can inject. How many ways we can inject the data guys?
Constructor method and constructor.
No need to call constructor method, constructors. Parameterized constructor. Guys, getting or not guys? Practically real time scenario. See guys, I'm not able to telling to that what guys as a definitions and POCs guys in real-time scenario, which scenario we can use that thing, I'm going to explain. Right? Okay, this is that encapsulation, guys. Do you have any questions in that, guys?
Sir, we use, for example, business logics implemented, sir. If we use ENP dot toString method, what is the result, sir?
Yeah, toString method, it will be print word, guys, string data. It will be string data. Yeah, it will be convert, guys. See here, you can in wrapper classes, we can use word, guys, integer to wrapper. We can convert a primitive to wrapper, right, guys? At that moment, what happened? If we want to convert from primitive to wrapper, at that moment we can use word, guys. There is a method is there, value of method is there, right, guys? If we want to convert a primitive to wrapper, wrapper to primitive, value of method is there. So same as like if we want to print the data, entire data as a string, at that moment we can go for what, guys? String, toString method. Getting or not, guys? Yeah. So this is that encapsulation. So guys, what we have to left, guys, next concept into that, where is completed that encapsulation, guys. There is a abstraction is that concept is there, guys. Okay. So guys, can we see tomorrow for that abstraction?
Okay.
Yeah, we can see that abstraction tomorrow, guys. Okay.
Sir, so when you start class loading, we have a video, sir, class loader.
Class loader, I think that is
Yes, sir,
class
the topic.
loader that there is no video, Yeah, so I will create that class loaders videos and I will send. Okay. Yeah, so that JVM architecture, that video I will share you guys. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys.
Thank
Thank you, guys.
you.